Bought a ratchet set from Amazon, cost me 16 bucks. I do have the old one, but the problem is it just did not come with any extension. So that's my old one. But I really needed an extension for this ratchet. So the cheapest one in Amazon was $16. So got that. And here you see, wow, looks pretty good for 16 bucks. Got a couple of extension ones. That's kind of flexible, but yeah. And then one, well, that's the old one. And then yeah, it's pretty good. 16 bucks, not bad. And the brand is OTLOOMTBT. I can't say it, but that's a brand. 46 pieces, 16 bucks, not bad. Thanks for watching.